What's up, everybody? Nick Manaki here. I'm the CEO and co-founder of Bundle IQ, and today I want to take you on a quick little tour of a new beta feature that we just launched recently, and that is that in web mode now you can direct your queries at specific websites. So we have a cool little feature here where you can do site colon cnbc.com. And when I say what's the latest on OKLO, that's a stock, and then you do site cnbc.com, it'll go directly into CNBC and only CNBC, so you can target your queries. I just did this on ChatGPT to see what would happen, and it says what's the latest, same query, and you can see the sources are coming from Wikipedia, Facebook. Doesn't really make sense. And then I said, okay, what's the latest? And I tried it a different way, only use sources from cnbc.com. And then it came back with this error. So in Alani, you can see it's only citing CNBC. Watch. See that? Only from CNBC. And so if you were to click on any of these, it'll take you directly to CNBC. There you go. All right, so if you have any questions, thoughts, ideas, let us know. Drop them in the YouTube comments below, and we'll talk to you soon. Cheers.